Time for the Friday edition of The Law and You. These guys are ready for the weekend. They are our attorneys, Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here. We got to get you guys out to enjoy your weekend.
Kicking the year off right.
Yeah, we sure are. You got to celebrate right on through the first few days here of 2015. Now, we've got a question first from Paul and Jessup. And Paul says, a drunk driver ran into me and my girlfriend. He has no automobile insurance. We both have broken bones, and we do have our own car insurance. What can we do? Can Paul do anything here despite this driver not having any type of insurance?
Well, obviously the drunk driver was celebrating a little bit too much, over the holidays. Paul, I'm going to address what you're going to be able to do, and then I'll throw it to Greg so he can talk about what your girlfriend's going to need to do. First and foremost, your medical bills are going to be paid by your insurance under what's called your first-party medical benefits. Secondly, even though this guy doesn't have any insurance, if you have uninsured motorist coverage on your policy, then you're going to be able to collect under the limits of those coverage limits for the injuries and wage loss or medical bills that you have. So the best thing to do, pull your deck page. If you have uninsured motorist coverage, pick up the phone, call a lawyer. We do this work all the time. There are a number of things that you're going to need to do immediately to make sure that you protect your legal rights on that. But you absolutely, if you have uninsured motorist coverage, then you're going to have some rights here. And then with regard to your girlfriend, she has to do a similar situation. She has to pull her deck page, see if she has insurance, and see if she has uninsured motorist coverage. And if she doesn't, then she's going to be covered under your policy, assuming you have uninsured motorist coverage. So it's very complicated, and there's a lot of coverage issues that are occurring in this situation. But best thing to do is pick up the phone, get to a lawyer, and get some advice, because the time's ticking, and with all these different things going on with your medical, your wages, your injuries, you need to get sound legal advice.
Now, our viewers that want your legal advice, when they pick up the phone, what number should they call?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. See us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And we tell everybody all the time, if you have any questions about the coverages that you have on your insurance, shoot us an email, put it on our Facebook page, and we'll answer them. No, absolutely no charge, because a situation like this, you want to make sure that you've got the right coverages when you're involved in a unfortunate situation like this.
As always, good legal advice from our attorneys. Results matter with Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
All right, PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are open to get your question right here on the show.